If you've been looking for the best transcription jobs for beginners, then watch this video until the end, as I'm going to be sharing with you the best beginner friendly transcription platforms in 2020. Plus, these platforms are worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, whether you are in the US, the UK, Philippines, Nigeria, Pakistan, wherever you are in the world, you can sign up on these platforms and start making money right away, and you can receive payment wherever you are. Different payment methods globally, so wherever you are in the world, you can work on these platforms and get paid. There are no restrictions and you can get accepted easily. All right, so if that's something you want to learn, then stay tuned. The first platform we have now is called Scribby. Scribby.com is a transcription website that accepts people from all around the world. Wherever you are in the world, you can get accepted on Scribby and start making money. Scribby is actually beginner friendly. Okay, it doesn't require any prior experience as a transcriber. Whether you have any experience or you are a complete beginner, you can work on Scribby and make money. Okay, plus what you do is you go to Scribby.com, sign up as a transcriber, and then you take a qualification test. Once you pass the test, then you can start transcribing files and start making money. Most of the files on Scribby are short files, mostly 6 minutes or less, so it's easy actually to work on for beginners. You know, the files are short, 6 minutes or less, so it's quite easy for you if you are a complete beginner. All right, and yeah, like I said, it doesn't require any prior experience. So what you do is sign up on Scribby.com and start scribing. All right, and on their website, actually they claim that you can make between $400 to $1,000 per month, which can be sent directly to your PayPal account. So PayPal is actually necessary. If you want to work on Scribby.com, you need to have an active PayPal account, because actually PayPal is the only payment method Scribby.com pays with. So if you want to work on this platform, you have to have an active PayPal account, but they accept transcribers from all around the world. Wherever you are in the world, you can get accepted. The qualification test is not difficult. It's quite easy to pass. So once you pass the test, you can start transcribing files. They are short, 6 minutes and less, and then you can start getting paid. Like they said on their website, you can make anywhere between $400 to $1,000 per month. So it's quite easy to make money on this platform. Okay, I think the only limitation here is PayPal, because PayPal is required, and I know PayPal is not available worldwide. There are countries where PayPal is not available. For example, if you happen to come from Nigeria, for example, Pakistan, you cannot accept any payment on PayPal. So if you happen to come from any country where PayPal is not available right now, then don't fret, because I have a platform for you where you can work and get paid wherever you are in the world. All right, so now let's get to the second platform. Okay, the second platform we have is called GoTranscript. GoTranscript.com is a UK-based transcription company which accepts people from all around the world. So wherever you are in the world, you can actually work on this platform. You just come to GoTranscript.com, sign up as a transcriber, and then you can start transcribing and start making money. But before you do that, you have to take a qualification test. Once you pass the test, there's also a test file which you have to transcribe accurately. Once you pass that, once you do that successfully, then you can start transcribing on GoTranscript and start making money. GoTranscript claim that you can make anywhere between $150 to $1,215 per month. It actually depends on you. It depends on how hard you work on this platform. Okay, the harder you work, the more money you make on gotranscript.com. okay, it's also beginner friendly and it's worldwide. They accept people all around the world. And one good thing about this, the most exciting part, is that GoTranscript does not only pay with via PayPal, they also pay via Payoneer. So Payoneer is worldwide, it's global. Wherever you are in the world, you can get paid through Payoneer. So they have that option. If you are from Nigeria, Pakistan, Philippines, anywhere in the world, you can actually sign up. There's no restriction. You can sign up on gotranscript.com and then start transcribing, start making money, and then you can receive your payment via Payoneer. It's quite exciting because unlike most transcription platforms, which basically most of them only pay via PayPal, but GoTranscript is an exception. It pays via Payoneer. Payoneer is an option. So I know that Payoneer is available in most countries, or in actually all around the world. Payoneer is available. You can get paid in Nigeria, you can get paid in Philippines, anywhere in the world. So there's no restriction actually. Okay, so what you do is go to gotranscript.com, sign up and start making money. There's a link in the description down below. Okay, so just go to GoTranscript, sign up, start transcribing and start receiving your payments. Payoneer is an option here. You can get paid via Payoneer, like I said. All right, so if you're from Nigeria, you're from Philippines, you're from Pakistan, I know these countries have issues receiving payments, as working as a freelancer, but with this platform there's no restriction. Okay, you can get paid wherever you are in the world. So definitely, if you want to start working as a transcriptionist, then go on to GoTranscript and sign up as a transcriber and start making money. Like I said, there's a link down in the description down below. Okay, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video and drop a comment down below. All right, so best transcription jobs for beginners in 2020. All right, so that's that for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.